Hello everyone. In today's question of the day, we'll learn how to find out the length of common chord to two circles. So the question is the length of the common chord of two circles of radii 15 cm and 20 cm whose centers are 25 cm apart is. So we are talking about two circles over here of radii 15 and 20 cm. So let me draw those two circles. One will be the bigger circle, next one would be the smaller circle. Why have I drawn them like this? Because they have a common chord, so they will have to intersect. Okay, so where will be the common chord? It will be from this point A to this point B. This will be our common chord. We have also been given that their centers are 25 cm apart, so I'll join their centers. This length, let me call it xy, it will be equal to 25. Okay, now whenever there is a question on circles, you should always connect it to the center, so I'll be joining ax and ay over here. Okay, now there will be a theorem that will come into use over here. I have told you that if from the center of a circle we drop a perpendicular on the chord, it bisects the chord. So we will drop a perpendicular here on the chord AB. AB will be bisected. This part will be equal to x. This will also be equal to x. I know the length of AX. It is the radius of bigger circle, which is 20. AY will be 15, radius of smaller circle. I already know the length of XY. So length of XY is 25. So if I look into triangle AXY over here, it is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angled at A. Why? Because 20, 15 and this 25, it is making a Pythagorean triplet. So how can I use it to find out the value of x? I know that the area of triangle AXY, it can be written as half into AX into AY. It can also be written as half. We can take xy as the base now. So xy into this height small x. Okay, so half is gone. Ax is 20, ay is 15. This will be equal to xy, that means 25 into x. So x comes out as 12. So we have x equal to 12. We can double it and we'll get 2x, which is the length of AB. AB will be equal to 2x, that means 24. Okay, option A will be the correct answer. So that's it. That's how we can find out the length of a common chord. Sometimes you will face questions in which these three, 20, 15 and 25, they will not be forming a Pythagorean triplet. So in that case, you can assume this, let me call this as point K. Okay, so in that case, you can take the length of Kx over here as say Z and the length of Ky as 25 minus Z. Okay, you can take x over here as the height. Then you can apply Pythagoras theorem on these two triangles. Okay, AKY and AKX. Then you will have two equations in two variables. You can solve them and find out the value of x. So this is easy. This was a PassCat question. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.